Keep in mind that to get 6 months of Amazon Prime free trial, your age need to be at least between 18 up until 24 years old, or you are a student from the university. And then to get on this page, on the Google search, you want to search for Amazon Prime Student. And then you want to choose right here on the amazon.com/Amazon Student. Just click on the link, which will take you to this page. And then you want to click right here on Join Prime for 18 until 24 years old. And here you can just choose on which option you will verify yourself to Amazon, whether verify as a student and enter the university name, first name, and so on, or verify yourself as a young adult from 18 to 24 years old, and then get on your document and any information that was needed. And after fill up all the requirement information, you want to scroll down to the bottom and then click right here on the Try Prime for young adults or Try Prime for the students, and then you are good to go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to get 6 months of Amazon Prime free membership. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.